So today, everyone, we're going to be having some Play-Doh with confetti in it, and we're going to be using some markers, and those markers we're going to dot in the Play-Doh to make the Play-Doh change color. First, we're going to start with a little bit, and then we're going to put, well, not pink, we're going to put brown, dot, 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 and put dots the most place you can. Fold it in, 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 fold it in. Then you do it again. Y'all see how it was that color? Well, now it's this color. And now we're going to add orange. And a stick of orange. Okay, guys, so it turned out to be like that. That is the last thing we're going to do today. I'm going to make more videos as soon as I can. Please subscribe. Comment down below if you like to play with Play-Doh, or if you're in 3rd grade. Well, I hope you like my videos, and have a great rest of the day. Thank you. Bye.